And also, we have our friends from the press na nandito.
Thank
Kaya
you!
some of them.
Daming opportunities.
Ayan.
Ano muna?
Bawal muna.
Bawal
Hindi
pa.
naman ano. Hindi, ikaw, kay anong mga project mo for next year? May movies and teleserye ka for 2026.
Kakatapos lang nung Sins of the Father namin with JRB Creative Productions with Gerald.
Yes.
So, sa ngayon, parang ginawa namin yun for like half a year.
Yes.
So ngayon, for next...
Nakakapa year ba yun? Ganun katagal yun?
And continuously siyang number one sa TFC.
Yes.
I want, so dami talagang kasi it's really center for mga yung mga scams. Di ba sa Pilipinas, ang dami na sa scam.
Oo, nagatan kami ng mga press ko.
Diba?
For next year, meron ka namang naka-line up. Kaya bawal muna yung yung pinagbubulungan namin kanina doon.
Behind our back?
Yeah, literal.
Actually, parehas kaming may mga naka-line up for next year. Pero hindi pa yata pwedeng sabihin eh. But it's good. It was a good 2025 and even better 2026 kasi hanggang ngayon parang may momentum kumbaga going into the next year. So we're all looking forward to that.
Yeah. Ikaw, Jane, anong mga maraming lineup sa'yo?
I think may mga na-reveal. Medyo may nag-reveal tinatago ko siyang secret. Pero lumabas na. Although wala pa ring official announcement. Pero medyo alam naman na ng tao and I'm really excited about it. Next year is gonna be booked and busy, sabi ni Arizona B. Yun. So sobrang akong looking forward sa next year.
Ano ba, movies and teleserye ka din?
Serye.
Serye naman. Movies.
Mga series.
Pero alam ko may mga
Line series.
Kasi syempre yung film nyo, very
Yes.
memorable yun.
May
Tsaka
mga hindi pa
markado
nga
naman yung
lumalabas
movie ng
eh.
dalawa.
So, pati sa'yo, may mga inaabangan pa hindi pa lumalabas.
Meron ka pang mga ipapalabas?
Merong mga
okay.
mga natapos ng i-shoot pero hindi pa napapalabas. So, baka next year ma-reveal din yung mga yun.
Okay. Pero ang tagal nyo na rin. Hindi naman ako naiinip, pero... Hindi naman ako naiinip. Pero syempre, anong secret kasi alam naman natin ang daming matagal nang nagkahiwalay din. But in your case, parang magaling, parang low key lang, pero
I think it takes a lot of work, sacrifices, syempre.
Nakatulong
and-
din yung pagiging low-key.
Oo. Also understanding din na parehas kami ng trabaho, alam namin yung pinagdadahanan pareho ng isa't isa. For some, syempre mahirap yun. And syempre mahirap din sa amin, but it takes really to
I think it's figuring it out together and learning and evolving, growing together.
Yeah, parang continuous growing siya together. And
Pero
it's-
syempre sobrang solid din kasi meron kang number one supporter or cheerleader, like knowing na somebody is nag-cheer for you, so it helps.
but of course, yung wedding naman na pag-uusap.
Work muna tayo.
Talaga.
Work muna.
Hindi, sa mga chikahan yung dalawa lang.
Of course, I mean, syempre we're in a relationship and parang hindi naman tayo lang.
Lalaro-laro.
Pero work muna.
Pero I'm sure lahat aware na show business is really hard. Mahirap makakuha ng projects, mahirap trabahuin siya
now.
from yung journey mo. So pag nagkaroon ng ganong opportunities, it's really hard to para mag-pass ka and so ang priorities talaga is really career kasi individually and together. So kasi eventually ayaw mo naman ding magkaroon ng what ifs diba? Or regrets dun sa career. So now ang daming dumarating na bagong role. Tapos ang dami na nating medium, 'di ba? Sa streaming, sa movies,
Maraming streaming
Platforms.
So I'm so happy for every actor, every director, lahat na nasa production kasi ang dami nating venue para makakuha ng trabaho. So it's up to us para pahalagahan din. And that's what we're doing right now. And 2025 was a great year for us. And yun nga, 2026 will even be better.
Oo naman. So, wala tong time element. Walang 26, 27, 2027.
Wala muna, basta ngayon we're making the most out of yung mga yun na trinabaho natin and tinatrabaho pa. So, yun muna yung
I think pinaka-importante is staying in the moment, being present, not regretting anything in the past, and huwag maging anxious sa future. So, nandito lang kami sa present moment and enjoying each minute or every minute na nandito tayo. And now, napakaganda nitong I'm Perfect. Siguradong sigurado ako. At
Huwag ako Ike. The last na lang. Bakit mas maganda ngayon talaga lalo si Jay?
wow.
ever since.
Maganda nga, pero iba siya ngayon eh.
Hindi,
Not because of
alam
the hair
mo,
siguro, pero maganda eh.
I think it's because I have time, parang because of the love that he's giving and the support that
Yes,
he's
sa
giving.
point eh. Kaya tinanong ko yun.
I have time to parang focus on myself and or take care of myself, love myself, parang ganun. Parang because of him, nakita ko yung worth ng love for myself.
Correct.
So yun, so parang I feel like yun nakita niyo yung genuine na happiness na yun.
Ba't ako kinikilig?
Yeah. Talaga ba? In other words,
Happy Valentine's Day!
in other words, magaling mag-alaga si RK. Masarap magmahal si RK,
Right?
right?
Letting her shine kasi she really deserves the spotlight, and every project na dumadating sa kanya, I know nga, yun nga, it's hindi madaling makakuha ng mga proyekto.
Lalo sa panahon
So,
na yan, like.
like make the most out of it and let her be.
Ayan, thank you.